Hi, my name is Vishal and I'm a senior trainer in multimedia education. I have 18 years of industry experience and let's get started with the video. This maximus, a glutes muscle. I have done this model in the previous videos. So let's do this part now. So I'll be choosing the back view and I've just focused on the reference here. So I'm going to select all that lines there and then extrude it that way. I'll go to the side view. I'll close this line. Okay, and make sure that I'm just following the line which you generally see in the anatomical references, which is basically following the pelvic bone. I'll assign the Lambert shader and then start pulling these points from the back view. So the front and side views are not matching up correctly. So I'll be using insert edge loop tool and then adding a line here and then just move this closer. And I'm going to select these lines here and then move it back. And also use the slide edge tool just to make it evenly spaced. I start adding more lines here. The lines are not relaxed here, so I'm just deleting these lines and make them relax. So I'm going to connect these lines like that, by which it becomes more loose. It's okay when I'm not able to understand what's happening there. Just try to keep yourself going on. Once you progress, you may get some clarity on what is happening there. So do something so that you'll understand as you progress. So I'll just make this part a bit more round. If the shape of the glute is not coming well, again, don't worry at this level. As you progress, okay, you get more control on the shape. That's very important. I think I have done something wrong here. While I was moving the points, I might have wrongly selected that points and pulled it. So I go back to display. I'll enable the back face culling to understand what's really happening here. I'm going to select a few lines here, and then okay, let me first select that two lines and then start extruding it. Okay, even just try to make things more relaxed. Now start connecting this vertex here. So I'm using the target weld tool and then just start connecting them. And then I select the lines and use the slide edge tool and keep it close as much as possible. Let me use the append to polygon tool and then start filling these faces. Once that is done, I'll use the multi-cut tool and then bring that lines down, and then again position it as per the volume of the leg. I want to create one line close to this glutes. So I'm using the slide edge tool and just bringing it closer like that. And this one also I just close, and then I select these two lines and then merge it. Select that two lines, merge them. Okay, then use the multi-cut tool and then start putting it relaxed. I'll take these lines down and start connecting them with the flow. I'll see if this line can add some value. I'll use the slide edge tool just to make it even, and here also. And I just try to create that slight cavity there. You can use the sculpt tool and then just relax it. You can use a relax tool for that. Relax all that lines. Now I'm going to select these lines. Okay, before going into that again, so I press extrude here. And then just connect these lines which are there. Keeping the vertex points relaxed is the utmost important thing. So here I'm going to add a loop. And I'll just relax these lines. And then merge them, and make sure that you are seeing it from all possible sides there. I'll use the relax tool and then just relax certain areas here. Again, I'll use the append to polygon tool. And then fill that lines, so I'm going to connect them. And then start pulling these points. I use the sculpt tool and then just slightly build up that volume. Here I just want to clean up some flow, so I'm using the slide edge tool and then just bring it as close as possible and delete all that lines, and then start building that flow there. I'm using the multi-cut tool and then just making it that nice round flow there. It will fix if any line is creating problem there. And I want this line also going that way. And then connecting that lines. Okay, I'm just trying to get that pelvic bone detail. I want to delete this line here which I've added earlier, and then I'm using the slide edge tool that will save our lines. Now let me add a line here just to reduce to make this triangle into a quad. So let me slide this. And then make the spacing more uniform. So I'll just select the sculpt tool and then just give that nice volume to this thoracolumbar fascia, and then you can select these lines, slide in, and then just create some nice detail there. So I'm deleting the history, and this is what you have got. Now I'm going to select that line and apply extrude, and then scale it down, and I'll use this tool called circularize, and that's a quick way to fix things here, like that. And then we will scale it to match the references. As you could see, there is a lot about the reference, so I need to match the reference here. I need to relax all these lines here. They are like way taking the stretch, so I just want to relax it. Just need to keep this line straight. When I circularize, this whole mess actually happened. I'll add a line here and then sculpt it. So I'll use the tool settings and the sculpt value is 0.05 and increase the brush just to get that very subtle volumes. Zero 0.075. Okay, so that's what the glutes and the hips part. I mean, now we have to go with the thigh, the upper part of the leg, so we'll do that in another video. I just wanted you to learn this part by part, and then that's the reason I'm making these videos in small parts, because the whole body is, it takes time, and one full video is not at all good, and for you it is easy to learn in parts. So that's the only reason I'm keeping it in parts. It's convenient in all ways. So hope you are liking this series, and let me know if you are expecting any such series of specialized modeling in terms of objects, props, vehicles. I'll be glad to share more videos on topics you ask.